Yo, what's up? So the point of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your KOT4X account. All right, this is what you're going to use when you trade with your own money. So of course, the first thing that you got to do is sign up. Just click sign up and you're going to put all your basic information, first name, last name, email, password. Make sure you use your real information because this is, real money. And once you do that, you're going to sign up, and this right here is going to be your dashboard. Now, before you start to do anything, the first thing that you have to do is verify your account. So you want to go to KYC verification, and pretty much all you're doing right here is showing that you're a real person. So just upload a picture of your ID or passport, driver's license. So now you're going to make an account. You're going to click the account type, and you're going to make an ECN account, but you can also make a demo account. The ECN is going to be with actual real money when you deposit money. Select your currency. Of course, you're going to use USD if you're in the United States. For your leverage, you're going to click 500 and then just click create an account. So now you have created that account. So now what you have to do is go to your email, because they're going to email it to you. This is what it looks like. And you're just going to scroll down and it's going to give you all of your account information. So it's telling you the name, KOT Live 3, the account number, and the password. You're going to copy the account number first. Then you're going to go to MetaTrader 4. You're going to go to your settings, click the top. Then you're going to click the plus sign and log into an existing account. And you're going to type KOT, and you are going to paste your account number and then paste your password, the trader password. Make sure you just copy and paste, man. Don't try to type it because you're going to mess it up. Just copy and paste it. And again, this is MetaTrader 4. So download this app. The link is below. And boom, now you have logged in. You see that we have $0 right now. So now we're about to deposit money. So you're going to go back to KOT, go back to the website, and you're going to go to deposit funds. The deposit type, you're going to use Bitcoin. In most cases, you're going to always use Bitcoin. You're going to select a wallet, USD, or whatever currency you use. And let's say we want to put $50 in here. We're going to do that. Redirect me. And this next page is going to be super important. All right, so make sure you don't click like back or nothing. This is your Bitcoin address. What you're going to do, you're going to copy the Bitcoin address because you're going to need this. This is where you're going to send the money to. All right. And below it has the actual amount. Now, when it comes to sending money, you can use Cash App, Crypto.com, Coinbase. I'm going to use Cash App just because, most people have Cash App. I'm going to click the B in the right-hand corner, and we're going to buy some Bitcoin. Now, you might have to verify your account before you buy Bitcoin, but this is a process you're going to go through. You're going to buy it and then just go through the security stuff right here. So we're buying $50 worth. Just a little side tip. If you always want to buy a little bit more just because taxes and stuff. So you see we have $48 now. So now you have buy, sell, and you have the little arrow. We're going to click the arrow because now we have to send the Bitcoin that we just bought. We bought $48 worth, so we're going to type 48. You can also, like if you're doing this from a computer, you can just click the camera and you can scan the QR code. It does make it a lot easier. And it's also showing you the amount that you can send. You can copy that Bitcoin amount, or you could just type the actual dollar amount. So I know that we're going to do $48, so that's why, I'm typing 48. Click that. And now you're going to paste the address that you just copied. And you're going to click next. And this process is probably going to take like 30 minutes to an hour for it to hit your account. But once it hits your account, it's going to be in your wallet. Once it's in your wallet, now you have to go to internal transfer, and you're going to transfer it from your wallet to your MetaTrader. So transfer type is wallet to MetaTrader. Transfer from your wallet, transfer to that account that you just created. And the amount to transfer, we're going to, we did 50. We're going to do 48 for the amount. Request transfer. And the transfer is instant. But like I said before, when it comes to withdrawing or depositing money, it is going to take like an hour. Now I'm going to show you how to withdraw. Pretty much when you withdraw, this is a process. You'll be at internal transfer. The type is MetaTrader to wallet. Transfer from your MetaTrader to that wallet. And let's say we want to transfer 100. We'll just type that. That's the process that it looks when you want to withdraw money. So it's pretty much the same thing, it's just in reverse. Now that you transfer the money from your MetaTrader 4 to your wallet, now you have to go to withdraw. you're going to go to withdraw type, click Bitcoin, select the wallet. That's going to be the wallet that you want to withdraw from, and then amount in USD or whatever currency you have. Let's just say we did 100. You're going to click request withdraw. That right there, the withdrawal is probably going to take about 30 minutes to an hour, the same way how a deposit is going to be like 30 minutes to an hour. All right, but that's pretty much it. Now you good to trade. This is what you're going to use when you're trading with your real money.